Hey guys, it's Grunt, and welcome to our unboxing and review of the Nespresso Vertuo Next. Now I just picked this up from Goodwill, but for some reason it was new. So I figured why not give you guys a review. So as we're sitting here, you can see that Cameron's taking the top off. You can see that Cameron has immediately gunned for this little crate, which happens to contain all the samples, which is very nicely wrapped in this little package and is brand spanking new. This thing is brand spanking new, guys. Look at it. Oh, that's hiding on there. It says Nespresso in there. Kind of hard to see, but there it is. And this looks like it is the drip tray. As you can see here, there's a drip tray. It looks that it attaches from on here and it pops into place. And this looks to be some more paperwork wadded up, stuffed in the back.
Ooh, look how nice this is. Ooh, it's a little dusty, but that's okay.
Looking good. Let's go ahead and get this box off to the side and we can get a look at the product itself. It's got quite the weight to it.
It does. I would say,
You wouldn't think that it had this much weight.
I would say
to
it would be
for
around
its size.
like a good 10 pounds. It looks to be
It looks
the
like it
water
holds the water.
container for this
Now,
particular model.
before I got my hands on this, I do believe this takes distilled water, which we did get beforehand. So we have that off to the side down there. If you want to go ahead and show it. Just any kind of distilled water will do. As you can see from our side camera here, this kind of just pops in to the back, like so. And then you can just place your lid on there. And up here is a symbol that shows it locked and a symbol that shows it unlocked. We have our Nespresso on the front. And if we crank this to the side, it opens up. And it's ready for us to put our pods in. And Cameron has prepared the drip tray, which has different slots for different heights. I do believe this back hole is our dispenser. Because one interesting thing that the Nespresso does is not only does it catch, what was it that it catches in the bottle?
It catches the water and the steam.
It catches the excess steam, and it catches in this slot. I don't know if you can see that very well. It catches the empty pod itself. It will take it and kick your pod backwards into this hole and dispense it into here. Where it
And
also
don't forget,
stores.
it also comes apart, so you can
The way you can dump out your condensation that was inside the steam,
condensation and your,
and then you can dispose of your little can.
recyclable.
Okay guys, now that we finally finished wiping it down, cleaning it out, and making sure everything's nice and ready to go, the next step is to put our distilled water into our water holder here in the back. Cameron will demonstrate this now. To our second camera. Make sure it's sturdy. And now it's ready to go water-wise. Here's our little container with our pods inside. We'll go ahead and start by unpackaging this. You can see all our different, you can see all of our different pods we have in here. I believe we have about 12 pods in total. And up there at the top, bring it closer.
The different types.
If you want to go ahead and read through that, then you can. If you can't read that, then we'll go ahead and put one up on screen right now. The one that I'm holding here in my hands is the VODS. We place our pod face down. As you can see, one other thing. You notice the weird barcode thing going on here.
It reads the
Go
measurements.
ahead and pop this in. Now, clamp this in.
Lock
Heard it pop. The button actually lights up with a little picture of coffee. Really cool. And away we go. Can you see it now? Finished filling our cup. It only took about 30 seconds. There is our coffee. This name, whatever. And
It's an espresso, so it's only 40 milliliters.
yep, it's very little, but it looks very good.
Now the other ones come in bigger sizes, but espressos are usually on the smaller side.
Yeah. guys can see, we have our cup. I'm about to taste it. Wow. Took the words right out of me for a second there. Now that is one fine cup of coffee.
That one's going to be up for a while.
So overall, I would say, just for that small amount, it is well worth it, especially for the price that I got this at. I got this for very cheap.
And do remember that there are different sizes.
I apologize if our audio has changed, because mainly the audio was coming from our main camera. Oh my god, it failed. Let's try that again, one more time. Damn it, do your thing. What it's supposed to do is go back into this and then slide. Inside is what remains of our cup. I believe you can recycle these. Wow.
Either has cream already in it, because it has the right type, or you put milk in it.
Well, anyways though, suck it quickly. We're almost out of time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this content. Subscribe and hit the notifications bell if you want to see more of this content. We love you guys very much. We're gonna get out of here. It was 10 out of 10, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Alright, so this is my first time doing this, using this espresso machine, which I got one for about the same price as what Grunt got it. And to note, you can use the pods twice. Do not throw the pod that you're currently using away. Just always make sure when you use it the first time, reapply it to this again.
Because this is the same pod that we use. When you get on the website, you can order directly from the website. You can see where the nearest location is to you, and all sorts of different great stuff, and become a member and all that other stuff. But that's only if you guys are, gonna buy the product. But other than that, it's really neat. On this side here, you can see they feature all the different pods. On the top, they show you the different cup sizes. Oh, and $10 off your first order. Down here, we have the main artwork on the front. Here's another side telling you how many pods come with it. And the back side, which has some extra information. If you want to read all that, you can pause the video.